Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. It's everybody's favorite time of the month, Mystery Nail Art Challenge. This is number 10. Am I right? Is this the 10th one? We are coming up on doing a whole year of these. Do you guys like these? Do you want me to continue making these after we complete the year? I'm on the fence. If you like it, we'll keep doing it. If no one likes it and doesn't really care, we may find something else to replace it. And if that's the case, what would you rather I do each month? But here's our bag. Same bag it always is. Full of stuff. Again, no face cam. I'm sorry. I am unwell, but I'm trying to get better. So let's stick our hand in here and see what we get. We need 2 items. First item, it is a container of paper flowers. I can't say that I'm super thrilled about this. I got paper flowers last month and I made something happen. So let's set this to the side. We will use it because we must. It's charms. I am afraid I had a hard time deciding what kind of container to grab in here because it all seemed risky, but let's look. Okay. Alright, so here's what we have. It's a little butterfly, and it like kind of swoops up, and it's got some pearls on it. I can make this work. It doesn't have like any color scheme to it, so I can make that work with these flowers somehow. I'm gonna figure that out and gather some supplies, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've got some tips on, and I've got some supplies gathered up, and I've got an idea. First, we need base coat. It's Orly Bonder. Okay, so for our colors, this is what I've picked out. These are Nails Ink and the Glowing Natural look. We have the shades Got Me Glowing and Time to Glow. If you can tell, these are not super opaque. They're kind of sheer, so we are going to do 2 coats of each. So here's with 2 coats. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and add a 3rd because I would like this to be just a smidge more opaque. Okay, so we've got 3 coats. It's a little bit more opaque. I think we're gonna let it be like that. And then we're gonna go in with some China Glaze Fast Forward Quick Drying Top Coat. Okay, so now that we've got these dried down enough to touch, we're gonna start our art. And I've got some flowers over here that I've cut in half and some whole ones here. And I'm gonna put them on before I start adding the rhinestones and the charms and stuff. To adhere everything, we're gonna be using 4 rhinestones only. I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit. I hope it's not blurry so you can kind of see what I've got going here. And so, here is the plan for this nail. I'm gonna go around the edge with these ones that I've cut in half and try to make a bit of a French. Is it gonna work? I have no idea. So let's try it. Oop. Okay, so we need 1. Ooh, I should have curved these. I'll curve them after. Once we get them on and dried, I can bend them and that'll be okay. Here's another. Somehow I thought these were going to be smaller too once I actually got them applied, but really they are not taking up near as much space as I anticipated they would. Interesting. Let me spread these out a bit. I got 2 white ones on that side. I would like to get a pink one-ish here. And then a little one here. Need some more. I'm gonna put another one up here. Let's take this one here. should probably put another one over here, huh? Since we brought the side up higher on that other side, maybe we can put some more over here. And let's take, well, I don't want that one because I've already got one of those already over there. Get off my brush. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these here to dry because once they get dried in place, we are gonna have to bend them. But I'm thinking that's pretty cute. I like it. Okay, then over here on the pinky, we're gonna add a whole one here in the middle. And then we're gonna use this in combination with some rhinestones. If I can get it to not stick to this thing. Please, get on there. My thingy's sticky. Let me hold this down. Alright, so that's going well so far. Then we're gonna come over here. Let me grab a couple of these flowers out and turn them over because they're gonna fight me if I don't. Alright, so we're gonna take one of these and put it right here. And then hold it down while it dries a little. Don't blow that hard. I was blowing away my flowers. Put another one down here. Okay, we're gonna fill around that with rhinestones as well. And then I've just got a few left for over here, so I'm gonna put those on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got those flowers on. They are being a little bit feisty, so we're working on those, but while we're waiting for these to dry, I am ready to go in and put this charm on. So I wanted to hop back on the camera. Let's get us a little bit of 4 rhinestones built up. And it's gonna take like a good sized blob here. And then we're gonna have to kind of do another one like right here. And then just curve them together sort of. And I'm probably gonna have to reinforce these once I've got it on here, just because it's gonna need something pretty sturdy to keep it in place. I don't know if the curve that I even put on here is remotely right. Uh-oh, don't fall. Okay, it doesn't appear that it is. Alright, so I'm just gonna use my fingers to try and place this and hold it a little bit. And it looks like that part actually isn't going to touch. Let me just put it on here and just stop messing with it. I'm gonna hold it like this. So I don't mind that this sticks up. I'm gonna let it happen. What I do mind is that this butterfly sits flat because I feel like it needs as much contact as it can get. And then I am gonna just like go around these 2 items a ton with 4 rhinestones only as it dries to put more on so that it's super secure, since it's not going to be touching on that side wall. But I'm going to do that off camera, so I will be back. Alright, so now I'm going to take these rhinestones, and these have pearls, and go ahead and add them to the nails in a decorative manner as best I can. I'm not exactly sure how I want this to look, so I am just going to eyeball it, really. I'll just put something and then see how I feel about it. Yep, I'm okay with that. And then I'm gonna work in some rhinestones after I get the pearls in. Okay, so I've got those on. Give it a moment for those to start drying. Now we're gonna go in with these little rhinestones and place some of them in the same disorganized, figure it out way. There you go. That looks cute. You couldn't really see it when I was holding it the other way around, guys, because it was too close. Alright, that's pretty snazzy. What do you, What do you think? I know it's kind of difficult to look at, but in real life, it's not. It looks really cool. Okay, so let's have a look. I've got everything applied. I did go ahead and put some more top coat on just to try and smooth everything out. But this is what I've got. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you think I utilized the mystery items in an appropriate or even an attractive manner? I know sometimes my nail designs are not cute, but I kind of like this one. I think this is nice. I like the polishes that I chose as well, even though they are sheer. What do you think? Once it dries down, it is going to thin out. Like, it's still kind of thick because I've got so much polish on here, but it is going to dry. And of course, I'm going to get you photos outside as always. But let me go ahead and wrap this up. Please do check the description for the link to Beyond Polish. Check them out before you make your purchases at other websites. They do carry all kinds of brands of nail polish and gel products, and they may even have dip, but just go check it out because a lot of times what's over there is at a lower rate than what it is on the main website, so you might as well just check. I love saving money. Who doesn't? So I wanted to pass that on to you. And then there is also a 10% off discount code in there for you as well. I'll put that on the screen. Please use it. I may earn a small commission, but you might as well save a little bit of money if you're going to be shopping anyway. And then also check my socials. Make sure you're following me over there. There is stuff over there that is not posted on YouTube, so you don't want to miss out on that. And please make sure you are subscribed. Look how close we're getting to 500 subscribers. We are getting there. We are doing so well. It is almost time for that giveaway, and you want to be here for that. Now, do just remember that if you want to enter the giveaway, you do have to have your subscriptions on public so that I am able to view that you are subscribed to me. If I can't see it, you're not eligible to win. And so you just want to check. It's in your settings. There are YouTube videos on how to do that if you're not sure. But anyway, so that is it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes and your subscription and all of your interaction. I do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.